Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to discuss about some very good stocks for swing trading that you guys can take tomorrow. And if you guys like the video, please like, share, subscribe the channel. And if you guys want regular updates on investment and stock market, please check out our Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description below. Okay guys, let's start with the video. Let's go for 3 minutes time frame and let's start the analysis of Bank Nifty as usual. And as you guys can remember, in my past videos, I told you the Bank Nifty if it makes a red candle in 15 minutes time frame, we can see the Bank Nifty touching 36,400. And what the Bank Nifty did today is it has 36,400 and it closed in this range, which is 36,600 and 36,400. Okay, let's see what the Bank Nifty can do tomorrow. So as you guys can see here, it also is making a reversal flag and pull pattern. So if the Bank Nifty opens flat and cross this line, which is 36,425, we can see the Bank Nifty again reaching this level, which will be 36,350. Let me put a horizontal line there, and after that we can also see the Bank Nifty touching 36,230. okay, so if the Bank Nifty crosses this high, sorry, let me make it correctly. So if the Bank Nifty crosses 36,550, we can see the Bank Nifty consolidating here, because this resistance hasn't been tested. So the Bank Nifty can be in the range to if it goes upside below 36,700. And that's all for the analysis of Bank Nifty, guys. Let's go for the stocks. So the first stock will be Avanti Feeds Limited. Okay, so what the stock did is, after reacting from its support after a significant fall, it reversed and it's trying for, and it's in consolidation. So you guys can go along on the stock having a sell here, which is 552. The minimum target for the stock will be 586. The later the stock even can reach up to 620. So the next stock will be Bandhan Bank. The Bandhan Bank, after a significant fall, it paused a little bit and it reversed. Now it is in consolidation. So you guys can go along on this stock having a sell below this pin bar, which is 279.50. The minimum target for this stock will be 300. The next stock is ITC. It's a very famous stock. So the stock is at its resistance. If you guys can see properly here, we had a resistance over here, which has been tested 1 time, 2 time, and 3 time. Now it is at its resistance. And if you guys see, another thing on the chart is this pattern, which I always tell that this kind of pattern can give a very huge momentum. Now this resistance also become weak because it has been tested multiple times. So we can expect the ITC to reach up to 220. So you guys can go along with a stop loss below here, which will be 211.50. So the next stock will be L&T Finance. So even this stock too, after a significant fall, it reversed and it's in a consolidation mode, and it's trying for a breakout here. So you guys can go along on the stock having a sell here, which is 82.50. The minimum target for the stock will be, the first target will be around here, which is 88, and the second target you can hold this stock still to 92. Okay, and that's all for today, guys. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.